Tomorrow morning, the ground beneath Yellowstone begins to shake. Within seconds, the earth fractures open. A massive column of ash and fire blasts over 30 kilometers into the sky. Day turns into darkness. Air travel stops. Entire regions are buried under ash, and within days, the entire planet begins to cool. But how bad would it really be if Yellowstone erupted tomorrow? Most people think Yellowstone is just a national park, but beneath it lies something far more dangerous. A massive magma system stretching roughly 55 by 20 miles. This is a supervolcano. Unlike normal volcanoes, supervolcanoes don't just erupt lava, they release thousands of cubic kilometers of ash, rock, and gas. The last major eruption, around 640,000 years ago, covered much of North America in ash. If it happened today, modern civilization would face one of its greatest challenges. The eruption begins with an explosion unlike anything in recorded history. Ash and debris shoot high into the atmosphere. Nearby regions are hit first. Within minutes, visibility drops to zero. Airports shut down. Breathing becomes dangerous. Volcanic ash isn't soft. It's made of microscopic shards of glass, but the explosion is only the beginning. Within 24 hours, winds spread ash across much of the country. Cities hundreds of miles away grow dark in the middle of the day. Ash begins to clog engines, collapse roofs, and shut down power systems. Millions of people are forced indoors. But while one region struggles with ash, the entire planet begins to feel the impact. A supereruption releases massive amounts of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases form particles that reflect sunlight back into space. This triggers a volcanic winter. Global temperatures could drop by several degrees. Crops fail. Growing seasons shrink. Food shortages spread worldwide. Despite how catastrophic this sounds, humanity would likely survive, but life would change dramatically. Millions would be displaced. Global food systems would be under pressure. Economic systems would struggle. Recovery could take decades. The good news is that scientists constantly monitor Yellowstone, and right now, there are no signs of an imminent eruption. Still, beneath one of the most beautiful places on Earth lies one of the most powerful forces on the planet. And if it ever awakens again, the entire world will feel it. So the next time you think of Yellowstone, remember, it's not just a park, it's a sleeping giant. Subscribe to Learnify for more mind-blowing scenarios. Like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.